first graders, welcome to video number 2. We are having this video, part 2, so that you can practice reading this story. But just as soon as I finished recording your last video for your last book, which was The Waving Sheep, I remembered that we forgot to talk about something very interesting. So if you remember this story, and you look at this page right here, so they went to get this to write on to get to the waving sheep, didn't they? Because they didn't want to walk that far. So usually in our country, we call this something like, sometimes we call it an ATV, or we might call it a Jeep, or we might call it a buggy. But in this story, do you remember what they called it? They called it a farm bike. Isn't that interesting? All right, so I just wanted to bring that up with you because that's just another fun, interesting thing that we can learn from this story, okay, boys and girls? All right, now you get the chance to read this story by yourself. And you're starting to learn a lot of important words, boys and girls. So I might have to take part of the picture away, cameraman. We might have to do this, I'm not sure. So should I do this and then do this? I don't know. We're going to have to learn, boys and girls, because the other books are made like this too. So remember to push pause because I want to make sure you have plenty of time to use your I Spy Eyes on every single word. No skipping words you don't know because then you're not learning, and that's how we're doing this, boys and girls, so you can learn. So please push pause so you have as much time as you need, and then unpause till we get to the next page, and then pause again. All right, let me get situated. Cameraman's gonna zoom. Since the words are getting smaller, if you zoom on both of these pages, will you still be able to read okay, cameraman? If you need to cut off this side a little bit, that's okay. Or whichever side doesn't have the text, okay? All right, let me get to the title page. All right, so here's the title page. And remember, this chicken's name is Clucky. Ready, cameraman? All right, this one's gonna be a little bit harder. Why don't you show both pictures and then zoom onto the one page with the text, okay? All right, here we go. Happy reading. All right, now you're gonna unzoom, right? So now unzoom, give them a second to see the picture, and then go ahead and zoom. We're making a pattern, boys and girls. We're gonna unzoom, and then zoom. Go ahead and unzoom before we turn the page, and you can see what they've read. boys and girls? Okay, so remember, I was supposed to ask you how many babies or how many chicks Clucky had. Does anyone remember? Cameraman? I think it was 9. Is that right? Did you remember that, boys and girls? All right, so remember, good readers not only know how to read the words, they remember the story. So find someone to tell your favorite part to, tell your connection to, tell the beginning, middle, and end with all of the details. And remember, if we were at school, you would probably see this story more than once. So it would be perfectly fine for you to read it at least 5 times and watch this video at least 5 times, boys and girls. All right, I'm so proud of you, how much you learned how to read this year, boys and girls. Please keep practicing because we're still climbing that mountain to where we need to be by the end of 1st grade. You guys are doing awesome. So keep practicing. I can't wait to see what amazing readers you are. But it's bye for now, boys and girls. I love you and I miss you. See you soon.